Hello my dear students, today we are going to see about the continuation of flow of control. In the previous class we have seen the different types of control statements. What are they? Sequential statement, alternative statements and iteration statements. And also discuss the alternative statements types such as if statement, if else statements and nested if statements. Today we are going to talk about the alternative statement of if else and switch case statement. First we will see about the alternative to if else statement. This operator consists of two symbols. One is question mark and colon, and also it takes three arguments, which is called as conditional operator, which is otherwise called as ternary operator. The syntax of conditional operator is expression 1, question mark, expression 2, colon, expression 3. First it check the condition expression 1. If the condition is true, the expression 2 is evaluated. Otherwise, expression 3 is executed. This is the process of conditional operator. The example for conditional operator is to find the greatest of two numbers using this operator. For example, in this program, three variables are declared, that is a, b, largest, and then get the value from the user. We use cin function, that is a, b, and then check the statement, that is largest equal to a greater than b, question mark. If the condition is true, a is executed, otherwise b is executed. Okay, for example, a equal to 10, b equal to 5, and then check the condition a greater than b, that is 10 greater than 5. If the condition is true, 10 is largest, that is the output of this program. Otherwise the output is 5 is largest. For example, 10 greater than 5 condition is true or false? True. So the output is 10, the largest number equal to 10. In this example, the given value of two number is 12, 98. Here which one is largest? Check the condition, that is 12 greater than 98. Condition is either true or false. Condition is false. So after the colon statement is executed. So the B is executed, the B value is 98. So the largest number is 98. That is the output of this program. The next concept is switch statement. It is one of the multi-way branching statement. How the alternative of if else statement is conditional operator, which is same as the multiple if else sequence alternative is switch statement, because in this statement multiple branching statements are there. The syntax of switch statement is using the keyword switch and then give the expression within parenthesis. After the statement we use the curly braces and then using the keyword and then give the constant 1 and then use colon symbol, and then executable statements are given. To terminate that case we use break keyword. This is optional statement. Okay, n number of statements are given in this way, and then end of the statement we use default statement, which is like a else part statements. If any condition is not satisfied, play the default statement. Okay, this is the flowchart of switch case statements. First check the condition. If the condition is satisfied, which case, that case statements are executed. For example, in this program num value is get from the user. So here different cases are used. Totally 7 cases are used. If the num value is 1, case 1 is executed because the constant value is 1. If the num value is 4, that is given value is 4, case 4 is executed. That is the output is Wednesday. In this program the given value is 6, that is enter weekday number அப்படிங்கிறது to get the input from the user. The user gave the value 6. So the case 6, what value is displayed? Friday. So the output is Friday. Okay. if the user give the input of 8, the default statement is executed because the case statement doesn't have the constant value 8. So the output is wrong input. Okay, this is one of the example for switch case statement. The next concept is key differences between if-else and switch statement. The first difference of if-else and switch is, here in if-else, if statement decide whether to execute the if block or else block, but in switch statement decide which case executed. This is the first difference. Next one is, if-else statement uses multiple statements for multiple choices, but switch statement uses only single expression for multiple choices. In this above example we already seen, here only one input get from the user, that is num value, and then lot of choices are there given in the block. Another difference is, in if-else statements checks equality as well as logical expression, but in switch statement we use only equality. That is, if num equal to 1, the case 1 is executed. Here not used logical expression. The next difference is, in if-else statements evaluates different data types, that is either integer, character, floating point or boolean, whatever may be, but in switch statement only evaluates either character or integer data type. The one more difference is there in if-else and switch statement, that is, in if-else statement, if the condition is false, the else block statements will be executed, but in switch statement, if the condition is false, default statements are executed. These are all the differences between if-else and switch statement. Okay, thank you students.